Hello everyone, this is Himanshu, and in this video we will continue our series of room database, and in this video we will create our repository for our database. So go to KOTLIN file, class, select class, and I name our class name is repo, and in which I need to pass application, you can see, and create a function. Now all the operation which we want to perform on our database is on background thread. So we need to perform this insert operation in our background thread. So we need to use async task for this task. So I use async task. So I create a class named insert in which I pass our node object and our application. Now extend with async task, and I pass no argument, I want no progress and no return time. Now simply override method do in background. Okay, now we take our database for node reference and pass application in it. So, and after that I will take our node DAO, and by using this node DAO we will actually put our data in our database. So that's all. Now return type is void, so I return null, which is obvious. Okay, now it's fine. So this is the class which will perform on background thread. So now by using this class I put my data on my database. So first argument is node and second is application, and simply execute it. That's all for our insert. Similarly we will create our delete and update. So similarly, the insert class we will create our delete and update and get all node class. So delete and update are similar to this insert. We have a get all nodes, which is some different to these three classes, these three functions. So let's see. First of all, create a list which is of type mutable like data list node, and create a async task class in which you can see here I give a return type is list of nodes. So that's why I use this return database for node instance dot get application. It will return a node DAO from this to this, and by using this database for node dot get application dot node DAO we will actually get all the nodes which are present in our database. So go to your get all nodes, and you can see in our function we will actually set this list dot value to this get all nodes which we are getting from our database. So this is a part where our database will execute the get all node class code, and by using this get we will actually get the list from our database. So that's all for this get all node function. So that's all for our repository, and we will meet in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.